Thank you for watching this week's Tip of the Week. There's 2 points I want to make this week, and one is take time off. It's that time of year we really need to reflect and think about what we're doing. And the other is to be able to appreciate our employees or those that we just plain old work with. It's one thing we really relish here at Pave Tool. We have our Christmas dinner. We'll go out for a nice evening. Our marketing team put together a great video where we can look back on memories for the year, our company outing, all the little funny things that happen around Pave Tool. Just a great, great evening. And then we also have our Christmas luncheon. That's right before Christmas. And then we do. Michelle and I we buy our employees gifts. Why? Because we love and appreciate them. Without our employees, we would be nothing. And it's no different for any industry you're in. And you're only as good as those around you. And to surround yourself with an amazing team is success everywhere you look. And the other side being the personal side. I mean, just reflecting on how thankful we are for family, our friends. You have to take time. Nobody's ever walked through a cemetery and seen on a headstone, wish I'd worked more, right? It's important that we stop and reflect and take time to spend with family, to spend with friends. Think about all that we have, all that we've been given. And things might not be always great, but you don't have to look far to see somebody that's worse off than we are. And it's time to remember them also. So really appreciate you watching. I hope this can give you some time of reflection and really stop and think, because it's important to get refreshed and show those around us that we love them. We here at Pave Tool want to wish each and every one of you the very merriest happy holidays. Very merriest. We here at Pave Tool want to wish you and your loved ones a very, well, I can't even get it. We here at Pave Tool want to wish you and your loved ones happy holidays.